So, many people ask me if I drive this car daily, and actually this is my daily. So, this is 1999 Opel Astra 1.7 diesel. This car is pretty old, that's why I bought something new and exciting. I didn't want to drive the old green Opel, so I got another old green Opel. This is 1995 Opel Calibra. It has 2.0 engine. Jak to otworzyć? Ej, jak to otworzyć? Pretty old, so it has a couple issues like this. Ventilator is working. We need to fix front headlights, front bumper. It has couple rust spots to fix. And we need to repaint rear spoiler.
Ja teraz pokażę.
Okej, ty pokazuj, ja będę
Nagraj, ale ty mów, ja tylko pokażę.
Okej, dobra, okej. No. We need to change this and this. Has this przetarcie. And we also need to change headliner because it's like... What's this w ogóle? What is this? So the plan is to take everything apart and redo this whole car to be like a new car. See you in the next one. Engine.